Hey, what's up, friends? Check it. I wanted to make this video, man, because I did not expect for that video I made about the Sire bass to get so many views. That thing got like 11,000 views in, I don't know, like 6 days or something like that. And I want to say something. I think that Sire basses are great. Like I said in the video before, I made an honest unboxing video of that bass. I loved the way that bass sounded. And I also want to make sure, without even looking at the video that I did, I'm pretty sure that I did not say that the bass was the cause of my back problem that I ran into. I am actually a lot better. That was a year or so ago, and so that problem has thankfully been eradicated. At least, you know, I don't have the same kind of issue. So, bottom line is, I don't normally play sitting down. I play standing up most of the time. And the bass was just too heavy. So I did not mean to say anything bad about Sire. And I'm not like trying to cover my tracks or anything. I just want to say this for clarification. The Sire basses are great. The first generation basses are heavy. They're heavy. It was too heavy for me. And what I do. So, you know, I appreciate all comments, even comments that don't necessarily agree with my point of view. So, and also, yes, I do now have an official artist relationship with Marco Bass. So it wasn't, and I love the Marco basses, but the intent of my video was not to put one over the other or plug Marco basses or anything like that. I do prefer the Marco over the Sire, but that's my preference. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video, real quick video, and just clarify, not clean up, but to clarify my point of view on that. So Sire did reach out to me about a second generation bass, so I'm looking forward to that. And when I get that second generation Sire V7, I'm gonna make another video and talk about that. I know that it will sound great because they do sound great. And from all accounts, the second generation basses are a lot lighter because Sire themselves acknowledged, if you look at their website and their documentation, they acknowledge that the first generation basses, there were some weight considerations that they had. So just wanted to say that. I had no idea that video was gonna get so many views. Like I said, something like 11,000 views or something like that in a few days. So, I mean, that's kind of cool, but don't want to do that at the expense of, you know, talking trash about a company. That's not the way I get down. And so, yeah, this video serves as just a little bit of clarification about that. And so, I hope you're well wherever you are, and I appreciate you checking out the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, hit that bell notification as well. I come out with something every week, you know, whether it be a lesson or something like this, you know, that's my bag. So anyway, y'all be good, you know what I mean? Play what you like, play what you dig, play what makes you happy, you know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm digging what I'm playing. Great basses. You know, when I get another V7, the second generation, like I said before, I'll play that, and I'll make a video as well, you know, letting you know my thoughts on that. I also play a 5-string Mike Lowe, you know, which I love as well. So that's that, man. That's that. So peace, love, and funk, and good playing, and happy playing, and all that to everybody. All right, y'all be good. Peace. 2 fingers.